Homeownership is the fastest way to build wealth. And in this upper-lower brick duplex in the heart of Port Washington, you can get that all while being at just walking distance to downtown with the marinas, the shops, and the historic features, and add an additional cash flowing rental property to your portfolio. Let's go take a look. Low maintenance brick exterior siding, 3-car detached garage, brand new windows across the entire property makes this truly a turnkey property ready for your new tenants. So if you would like to set up a private showing or just write an offer on this great investment opportunity, go ahead and reach out to myself with the information on the screen now or in the description below. Thank you.